Do you want to create imagery like this for your next project? Then watch very closely. What you see in front of you originated as just 6 still images, all from the mind of Zaoeyo, a master in the field of motion graphics. He's brought his design eye to all sorts of commercials, video games, and short films, such as the recent Resident Evil 2 remake and the Awaken Akira tribute film with collaborator Ash Thorpe. Zaoeyo creates Styleframes, a group of shots that capture the look and mood of an entire project. And in this new Learn Squared course, using Cinema 4D and Octane Render, he wants to teach you to do the same. Throughout this course, you'll cover subjects like generating photorealistic textures.
This is an image of concrete. When making images, don't think that because you're making a stone texture, you have to only look at stone images. You just need to find something similar enough.
Creating compelling lighting setups.
Once you've nailed down the single light, you can also add an edge light to help bring out the edge details.
And post-processing your frames.
Next, we'll move this previously created highlight mask over on top of our main object, appearing like it's receiving a lot of light.
Originally produced for China with Momenter.tv, Learn Squared is excited to present this in-depth course with comprehensive new voiceovers entirely in English. If you want your artwork to be so powerful that it can shape entire projects, then this is the course for you. And even if you know nothing about Styleframes going in, this training is designed to cater to any skill level, so there's nothing to be afraid of. Sign up today and begin your journey at learnsquared.com.